All right, my friends. To start our math lesson today, we're going to start with our mental math and fluency warm-up. You guys should be familiar with this. We do this all the time in the classroom. So we are going to do the first one together. You're going to need a number grid. So you can pull up a number grid by Google searching one, or you can take out the number grid that is in the back of the Your Turn. I'm sorry, not the Your Turn book, the math journal volume 1 that I sent home with you. You should be able to get a number grid from there. So let's start with this first one. I'm going to do it together. Hold on, my daughter is calling me. One moment. Sorry about that. Let's take a look at this first one. What number is 10 more than 30? So we remember how to do this. Whenever we're finding 10 more or 10 less on a number grid, we should know to, I hope your answer was move up or move down. So let's come to our number grid here. What number is 10 more than 30? So what we want to do is we want to come to our number grid and we want to find the number 30. So everyone do that on their number grid right now. Find the number 30. And then to find out what is 10 more, we know we need to move down just one spot. And we get to 40. Let's come over and check our answer and see if the answer is 40. Awesome job. Okay, we're going to do the next one together. I'll show you how. And then I'm going to let you guys try the others on your own. So what number is 10 less than 30? So let's come back to our number grid here. Find the number 30. If 10 more is 40, we should know that 10 less is the number right above it. 10 less is 20. Let's come and check our answer. Ding, ding, ding. Great job. Okay. Moving on to the next slide. Let's see what the next question is. What number is 10 more than 67? So what I want you to do now is go to your number grid, find the number 67, and think about, how can I find out what number is 10 more? Am I moving down? Am I moving up? Should the number be bigger than 67 or less than 67? I'll give you a couple seconds to figure it out. Okay. And the answer, what number is 10 more than 67? 77. If you got the answer 77, pat yourself on the back and kiss your brain. Great job. And the next one. What number is 10 less than 67? All right, my friends, if we know that 77 is 10 more than 67, what number would be 10 less than 67? Head to those number grids, find the number 67, and think about what is 10 less. Okay, let's reveal our answer. 57. Who got 57 as their answer? If you did, pat yourself on the back and kiss that brain. Great work, my friends. Moving on. Wonder if these ones will be a little bit harder. I don't know. We'll see. What number is 10 less than 94? Okay, head to your number grid. Find the number 94 and think about it. 10 less than 94. Okay. I hope what you did was find the number 94 and just move up one, because we're finding out 10 less, and you should have gotten 84. Pat yourself on the back, kiss your brain. And the last one. What number is 10 more than 94? What number is 10 more than 94? Head to that number grid and solve that problem. 10 more. Okay, let's reveal our answer. Who knows how to read that number? How do we say that number? I hope your answer was 104. The answer is 104, and if that's the answer you got, pat yourself on the back and kiss your brain. My friends, great job with your math warm-up today. Let's move on to our lesson.